Hello everyone, this video is gonna get buck nutty, so pay attention. Today I'm proud to present GKTech's finest feature, it's nuts. That's right, today's video is about those ever important things dangling off your, extended wheel stud? Anyway, what do you get in a box of nuts? Nuts, of course, and luckily, these come in different flavors. Like these amazingly fantastic god tier ones in a metal you may or may not have heard of called titanium. Yes, they're strong AF, fam. They're also light AF, dudes, coming in at only 17 grams, aka 0.59 of an ounce each. These come standard with features like a 60-degree taper as well. You, sir, can have the lightest nuts on your block if you were so inclined. If you prefer your nuts hardcore and heavy duty, and yet don't want to spend your hard-earned scratch on a set of TIE fighters, enter our steel nuts for your perusal. These come in so many different flavors such as silver nuts, blue nuts, black nuts, red nuts, neochrome hot boy nuts, and purple drank nuts. These come in both 125 and 1.5 thread pitches. Wow, they're 55 millimeters, aka 2.16 inches long, and are tapered at that same sultry 60 degrees as our tie nuts. These nuts can be taken on and off via a slimmer 17 millimeter socket as not to damage your wheels. And, more importantly, they're not aluminum, therefore they will not strip out after one use and or looking at them, because ain't nobody got time for that garbage. These nuts are steel, my friends.
Steel is stronger.
Anyway, do you have ugly wheels, or worse yet, ugly nuts? We can't help with the wheel part, but let's put a shine where those dull nuts are, shall we? Purchase a set, grab your zap gun, and zip those ugly ass nuts off post haste. Donate those suckers to the trash man, then throw that ugly wheel away as well. Ew, gross. Now put your desired Hot Boy Deluxe wheels on, grab your nuts, in this case, purple ones, and thread those suckers onto the stud. Zap them down crisscross pattern style. Hey dudes, you may not have heard of this. It's from the future. It's called a torque wrench. It can help keep your nuts beautiful and where they belong. OMG. Set that future tool to these settings, which are 98 to 118 newton meters or 72 to 87 foot-pounds, which is for a Nissan hub. If you're using this for another vehicle, check the correct specs elsewhere. Then, in alternating star pattern, torque them nuts on down. Finally, the most important part, you've got epic shiny nuts, why not show them to the world? Gram those suckers immediately. Hashtag these nuts, hashtag GKTech nuts, hashtag shiny nuts, hashtag nuts. Anyway, post that so you can get all the fake psychological validation a young alpha male like you deserves. These idiots may or may not have all their nuts torqued to spec, so check their YouTubes for more details. If you can't install these, seriously, give up on cars now. JK, have a pro do it or reach out with any questions. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and once again, Real Wheel Zach, coming at you with another GKTech How To. Peace!